This is the review and unboxing of a Amazon Cheap and Cheerful rubber Wovolot microwave popcorn popper and popcorn maker. They sell for consumption a number of different varieties of popcorn maker, ranging from the expensive with branding to the cheap and cheerful. If you look on Google, you can see that there's a almost never-ending supply of popcorn making devices. They come in this lovely red finish. Some of the expensive ones have got a logo. The cheaper one, which I bought and paid around £6.50 for, come without the logo, and this is what you get: is a rubber bucket which fills with popcorn. You get a little rubber lid, and as the popcorn pops, the popcorn rises, the lid rises, and it all stays in one place. It is, I have to say, much easier than using a glass bowl with a plate over the top, because the glass bowl tends to leave unpopped kernels in the bottom of the bowl, and if you leave it for too long, what you find is that the kernels burn. So, what did they send me? Well, the product came in this rather unassuming white plastic bag. So first of all, let's open the bag, let's have a look at what they've sent me, and let's see exactly how impressive this product is. Right, let's slip open the bag and let's have a look and see exactly what we have got here from Amazon. And inside the plastic bag we have another plastic bag, and the second plastic bag, which is of course our contribution to landfill, contains a red rubber bucket with a lid, and you'll see from here that they don't provide any instructions whatsoever. So basically you're completely left on your own to understand and guess how the product works. The product comes, the only real identifying mark is embossed clouds or possibly pieces of popcorn in the lid, and a sticker that has a model number or a SKU number. But there's not much in there to identify it, or to identify the vendor, or to identify anything about it. Let's have a look at the product. Is it well made? Well, it's alright. It does feel like a bit of cheap rubber, but to be fair, that's all it is, and it was only £6.50. The pictures of the clouds or popcorn are embossed, they're not going to rub off, and when you turn over the red rubber case, you'll find that the base unpops, and then you can take the case and you can put into the case your popcorn. And so the first step in cooking with the device is to take your popcorn, pour it into the case, and then take it to the microwave. Okay, so what does that exactly look like? So I have from Sainsbury's a pack of popcorn. Let's put a bit of popcorn into the box, into the to the rubber, and put it in the microwave and see what it looks like. So you'll see that there are no instructions, so let's put in a good couple of handfuls. I don't know how much it needs, I don't know how big it will fill up, but when making it in a glass jar, or a glass cupboard, a glass bowl, a good handful is what you need. And so here we've got a good handful in the bottom of the rubber bowl, and now you see this. Pick up a couple of handfuls and all is good. So let's now take the rubber bowl, put the rubber bowl in the microwave, and notice there is no fat. I haven't put any sugar, I haven't put any salt in at this point. put on the lid falls down to the base, and now slip it in the microwave. So okay, so it's been in the microwave, and I've left it in until all of the kernels have stopped popping. It took about 3 or 4 minutes, and we see that the content is nice and popped. I have to say that the case and the bowl is extremely hot, but it's easier to handle than a glass bowl. It's not as slippery as a glass bowl, and you don't need oven gloves, so that's very nice. And the taste is not quite as rich as if you'd fried it in a pan with oil or butter, but it's okay. It's a reasonable product, and for £6.50, yep, all is good. All is good. Tastes like popcorn, slightly fewer calories than butter infused popcorn, slightly less taste than butter infused popcorn, but not too shabby for £6. Next time I think I shall try making it with a little bit of butter and a little bit of sugar and a little bit of salt, just to get that nice buttery, salty, sugary popcorn taste.